We've all heard these stories of tradesmen where there's no communication, they might not turn up to a job, the customer don't know what's going on, and we are not like that. Thanks to ServiceM8, customers are always saying to me, the communication is just amazing. We started 20 years ago. It was literally me and a van working with a paper diary. It's just a massive strain on my life. I knew I had to implement systems to be more efficient. So in this line of work, organisation is crucial. With ServiceM8, it just ticked all of the boxes. That's enabled me to expand from 1 engineer and an apprentice to now having 10 engineers on the road. So when someone's boiler breaks down, it's a high level stress situation. With us, they can just simply go on our website, book in the call at a time and a date that suits them, and we'll be there. They'll get a text message saying your engineer is on his way. It's brilliant for the customers. They know exactly where we are. They know that we're definitely on our way. When the job is completed, the customer can pay just by tapping our phone. Gas certificates, all of our warning notices, they're all within the app. It's nice and simple. We've created a quoting tool on ServiceM8, which means that we can now go into the customer's house and based on their needs, on their wants, we can literally tick boxes. We can take a picture and then do comments as well, and then we can generate a price for the customer there and then. Because of this process, our boiler installations now have gone through the roof. So ServiceM8 is a very easy tool to get started with, but to really get it tailor-made for my business, we needed a ServiceM8 partner. We found Jamie at FlowState. He then had everything in place to tailor-make ServiceM8 to suit our business. Anything from the boiler quoting tool, which is a game changer, it was all set up through FlowState. With Xero, the way Xero integrates with ServiceM8 is seamless. Literally, we get the money in from ServiceM8 Pay. That links up into Xero, and it's just one click of a button, and then all of them invoices are reconciled straight away. I'm really proud of where we are now as a business. The journey for the last 4 years has been amazing, and that's thanks to ServiceM8. With the automations that we've got in place, ServiceM8 is literally running my business for me. It just makes it stress-free, and it's great.